Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we dive straight into using Notion to plan a birthday party. Notion is a versatile tool that can help you stay organized and ensure your party is a hit. Starting off, we create a new page dedicated to our birthday party. This is where we'll compile all our ideas, tasks, and details. Having a dedicated page keeps everything in one place and makes it easier to manage. Next up, we create a table to list out all the tasks. Notion's table feature is fantastic for this. We can add columns for each task's status, who's responsible, and deadlines. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. This helps us stay on top of things and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we've done that, let's add a guest list. We can create another table listing all invitees and their RSVP status. This is important because it helps us keep track of who's coming and plan accordingly. For instance, we can ensure we have enough food and party favors for everyone. Next, let's talk about brainstorming. Notion is excellent for this. We can add a board view to our page where we jot down and sort our ideas for themes, decorations, food, and entertainment. This helps us because it allows us to visually categorize our ideas and decide on the best options. Now, one of the best things about Notion is its ability to embed files. We can add our invitations, menus, and any other relevant documents right into our page. This way, everything we need is in one place and easily accessible. Let me explain why this matters. Having all your information and resources in one place simplifies the planning process. It makes it easy to share your plans with others, get feedback, and make adjustments as needed. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of Notion's reminder feature. Set reminders for your tasks to ensure you stay on schedule. This is crucial to avoid last-minute stress and make sure everything is ready in time for the big day. And there you have it. With Notion, planning a birthday party becomes a breeze. It keeps you organized, helps you track tasks, manage your guest list, brainstorm ideas, and stay on schedule. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy planning.